Gold yesterday created a bullish candle that has retraced back to the previous support. We can see that 236.97 after the price in the day before has created this bearish engulfing candle, which is also a bearish breakout below this support, which is indicating further decline in the value. Yesterday I have mentioned that it's very important that we see the price not going back above this resistance to 736.97, because this would be invalidation of this bearish breakout and this bearish engulfing candle right here at the supply zone. Yesterday the candle has been formed, the price has returned back to the previous support, now acting as a resistance, and we can see that the price did not close above, which is a very important information currently for the price. Now the day has started and we can see the price is forming this bearish candle. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, we could see that the price has bounced from the resistance level and it is currently trying to move even more down. But I will also watch what happens on the lower time frames, because they are smaller support and resistance levels that needs to be broken in order to continue to fall down even further. So for now, for today, we can expect some kind of volatility, because it is a Friday, which is a day usually when the price have higher volatility in the afternoon, and also when the price sometimes, because of the traders getting out of their trades at the end of the week, do not follow the technical analysis, and also this could be some kind of a movement which is a little bit strange. So it is important to be cautious. Before the afternoon, I'm expecting that the price will try to move further down, and I also still expect that this bearish engulfing candle, which is also a bearish breakout, will continue to fall down even further for the price. But first I need to see the price going below this 2715.0, this area here, which is a support level, which is a very important one, to allow the price to move further down, where the next level is 2692.18, a support level. If the price turns back above this resistance level to 736.97, this will be indication of potentially bullish breakout, which will be a signal for the further rise in value. But let's see how the day today closes, where the price will close today, and how the price will behave around this area, around this supply zone where the price currently is. What do you think? Will the price manage to return back above this resistance and continue to be in the bullish mode? Or do you expect that the price will return back down, going below, which will be further continuation of this bearish engulfing candle and this bearish breakout that has happened 2 days ago? Let me know in the comment section and let's discuss. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.